Welcome back to another video. Today we are checking out the ACCELATEC S650 interior kit. Now usually these type of interior kits get a lot of hate, and that's because they're usually kind of cheap and made out of plastic. But with the ACCELATEC kit, you're getting real dry carbon fiber. That's right, none of this is plastic, this is all real carbon fiber. Now, I don't know if the camera will do it justice, but in person, this stuff looks absolutely amazing. Not only do they look high quality, but they feel high quality too. Now, as far as installing them into the S650, there's no modifications needed, and they use a double-sided tape, which will be provided with the kit. But now enough talking, let's go ahead and get into the S650 and get our interior kit installed. First is our main dash piece here. As you can see, if we put it up against the dash, it lines up perfect. So now the only thing we have to do is A, clean this off, which I already did. And then after you clean it, go ahead and pull the double-sided tape off. Once you have all the double-sided tape removed, you can go ahead and place the panel up here and give it a good press around. Make sure it sits nice and flush. And kind of just hold it in place for a minute or two here. Now we're going to put our side vent on. Same process as before. Once the area is clean, just go ahead and press it up. And again, just kind of hold it in place for like a minute. That way you can make sure it sticks. Before we move out of the driver's seat, I'm gonna go ahead and put our steering wheel piece on as well. Moving on to the passenger side, we have a piece for the other vent as well here. And again, it's just the exact same process as all the other pieces. One of the last ACCELATEC pieces I'm going to put on is this door panel piece here. Now you can end up purchasing all of this in a kit, or you can purchase all of these parts individually, which is pretty cool. So if you only want, carbon fiber on the door panel, but not in the rest of the car, you're more than welcome to do that. As you can see, installing the ACCELATEC interior kit on the S650 is super easy, and it has changed our entire look of our interior. Now, if you want to purchase this whole kit, you can click the link down below in the description. But like I said earlier, if you want to purchase just individual pieces, you can also do that as well. Now, it is time to drop a gear and disappear, but we'll catch you on the next one.